This is a wheel that's broken, the dolly wheel nail that I've just heated up on gas. You can use anything to heat it up. Once it's red hot, you put it on the broken part and press it in with a flat screwdriver and cover it up with the plastic, and that's that. It's better than any super glue. It becomes part of the fabric of the plastic. It doesn't have to be wheel. Whatever broken plastic you have that you can't replace easily or cheaply, then you can do this. On top of that, you can always put glue, but this is stronger than anything you can have. So again, I'm just going to pick another one. The end of the nail, you don't hold that with plier. You leave that because that just cools off. Your plier will act as a radiator, just take the heat off. It's already hot. I'm just making sure to go deep inside the plastic, like that, and it's just under the plastic, invisible. And that's that. Your wheel is renewed. I can do more on the other side, but not necessary. It's a good hack. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. This is one of the many ways you can support us to get our channel ranked up and rank on Google so other people can see and we can get somewhere. We appreciate your support. Till next video, goodbye.